Hello, join us to Safety Seatbelts, where we manufacturing buckle of seatbelts. The values we promote are the love, the responsibility, discipline, empowerment, and diversity. The ethics are very important to us because of the product we manage, that are the seatbelts. If a person or anyone has a car accident, his life or her life will be depending of the manufacturing of the seatbelt, because if it isn't well done, his life can be lost because of the security level of the seatbelt. Our values are aligned with the society needs because we strongly believe that the responsibility is the one that moves the world. Because if you are responsible, if anyone asks you to do something and you accomplish it, you're responsible. And if you accomplish to the person and you're good enough to obtain his trust, they can give you a connection. And if anyone gives you a connection, we can share ideas. And if we can share ideas, we can move together and use it for positive reasons, contributing to the society. The company, to keep the employees motivated, has a system that can be used for when we have a certain time in the area, we can move to another area if we applied, and also if there is also a vacant, and we can be promoted to a better job for our personal growing. And the vision of a future work, according to the company's values, is that if we do our things or roles with love, we can do the things better. Because if we do it with passion, it wouldn't be so hard for us. If we have discipline, we will have a compromise with ourselves and with the company. The things we are doing are the following. For controlling our process, we have been installing vision sensors that control the process by testing the wrong pieces. By testing the machines. While we do our process, we introduce these boundary samples where we test the machines, and we can notice that the machine is rejecting the bad pieces, and that makes us process trustworthy. For our new plans, we are going to buy a new automatic line. This automatic line will construct a buckle seatbelt by itself. Only the operator only will have to grab the material, the components, and put it in the line in the first station, and also the line will automatically manufacture it, and the operator will grab it at the end of the final inspection station. That is all our presentation. Thank you for listening, and join us to Safety Seatbelts.